사랑을 몰랐어 난 사랑을 몰랐지만.
Hi guys, so today I have two packages here. I'm sorry if there's any background noise. There's children here. So anyway, I'll just get started. I'll start with the small one first. So yeah. So just before I start, I just got these two. So this is the Nature Republic Aqua Super Aquamax Fresh Watery Cream. I have the one for dry skin, which is the pink one. So I just wanted to try this one and this one since it's getting to hotter weather. So this is the same thing, but this is the combination watery cream. So yeah, those are the first two things I got. And now onto the package.
So I'll just unbox it now. If you can see the sore on my thumb here, it's because yesterday I was trying to open it because these packages did come yesterday from GMarket, but I had to do work, so I didn't end up opening it. But I was too excited and I accidentally cut myself. So yeah, but this is just a box full of masks, so I'll just take them out.
So I only bought 3 types of masks, but first is the green tea tree one from Innisfree. They're all from Innisfree. Then I bought the green tea one. And finally strawberry. And I got 10 of each flavour because they were having a sale. And they also gave me some freebies, so they gave me this tea tree care, is cleansing foam, and they gave me this, which is a body cleanser. Sorry if you hear children crying. And they gave me this, which is just a coupon, I think, but I don't think I can use it. Anyway, so that's what I got from Innisfree. Next, onto the big box.
So most of these are copies of albums that I already have, but I also did buy N-Flame's album and the Day 6's album. So yeah. I'll just get rid of the bubble wrap now.
So this side is albums that I have already bought and just rebought. Also, I realized that they sent me 2 versions of the Hyde album of Boys B, but I'm not complaining, so yeah. And these are the new albums that I will be unboxing on my channel. I have mentioned that some of my files get corrupted, so I can't upload them. So if I don't end up uploading these, then and you want to see it, then just request and I'll definitely refilm it. So that's it for this haul. I hope you guys like it. I'll see you guys in my next video.